Ever wondered what happens to your hard-earned money sitting in your Monzo account if, heaven forbid, something unexpected happens to the bank? It's a thought that might flicker in the back of your mind, especially in today's ever-changing economic landscape. Well, you're not alone in pondering this crucial question. Understanding the safety nets in place for your digital banking is essential for peace of mind. Think about it. We entrust our finances to these modern, app-based banks, drawn in by their convenience and sleek interfaces. But beneath the surface, what safeguards are protecting our deposits? That's precisely what we're diving into today, the intricate yet vital relationship between Monzo and the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or FSCS. We'll unravel how this protection works, what it covers, and why it matters to you as a Monzo customer. So, stick around as we demystify the world of deposit protection and ensure you have a clear understanding of how your money is kept safe. Monzo, as a fully licensed UK bank, operates under the regulatory umbrella of the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the Prudential Regulation Authority, PRA. This means it adheres to stringent rules and regulations designed to ensure the stability and security of the financial system and, crucially, the protection of customer deposits. One of the cornerstones of this protection is its participation in the FSCS. Now, let's break down what the FSCS actually is. Imagine it as a financial safety net, a fund of last resort for customers of authorized financial services firms in the UK. It's an independent body, established by law, and its primary mission is to protect eligible depositors, insurance policyholders, and those with certain types of investments if a financial firm fails. Think of it like an insurance policy for your money, provided at no direct cost to you. So, how does this apply to your Monzo account? Because Monzo is an authorized bank, your eligible deposits held with them are protected by the FSCS up to £85,000 per person, per banking license. This is a crucial point. The protection limit applies per person, not per account. So, if you have multiple accounts with Monzo under your name, the total protection across all those accounts is still capped at £85,000. Let's illustrate this with a couple of scenarios. Imagine you have £50,000 in your Monzo current account and another £20,000 in a Monzo savings pot, a total of £70,000. In the unlikely event that Monzo were to fail, the FSCS would step in to compensate you for the full £70,000 because it falls within the £85,000 limit. Now, consider a different scenario. Suppose you have £80,000 in your Monzo current account and £30,000 in a Monzo savings pot, totaling £110,000. In this case, the FSCS would protect £85,000 of your total deposits. The remaining £25,000 would not be covered by the FSCS. This highlights the importance of being aware of the protection limit and potentially diversifying your savings across different banking institutions if your total deposits exceed this threshold. It's also worth noting how joint accounts are treated. For joint accounts held by two eligible individuals, each person is entitled to the £85,000 protection limit. This means a joint account with £170,000 would, in theory, be fully protected. The FSCS protection extends to various types of deposits held with Monzo, including current accounts, savings accounts, and money held in certain investment products offered through Monzo, though it's always wise to double-check the specific coverage for investment products. However, it's important to understand what is not covered. For instance, money held in e-money accounts that are not operated by a fully licensed bank might not be covered by the FSCS in the same way. Thankfully, as Monzo is a fully licensed bank, your core deposits are within the FSCS's remit. Now, let's delve into the process of how the FSCS would actually work if the unthinkable were to happen and Monzo faced financial difficulties leading to failure. The FSCS aims to make the process as smooth and efficient as possible for depositors. In most cases, if a bank fails, the FSCS will automatically identify eligible depositors and begin the process of paying compensation. The target is to pay compensation within 7 working days from the date the firm fails. In many instances, the FSCS works with other banks to transfer customer accounts to a healthy institution, ensuring minimal disruption. If a transfer isn't feasible, the FSCS will directly pay out the compensation to eligible depositors. This often involves contacting customers with instructions on how to claim their funds. It's important to ensure that your contact details with Monzo are up to date, as this will facilitate communication from the FSCS should the need arise. While the failure of a major bank is a rare event, the FSCS is a crucial safety net that provides reassurance to consumers. One of the significant advantages of the FSCS is that you, as a depositor, don't need to take any specific action to be protected. As long as Monzo is an authorized bank, your eligible deposits are automatically covered. There's no need to register or pay any fees for this protection. It's a built-in safeguard that comes with banking with a regulated institution. However, it's always a good idea to be informed and understand the scope and limitations of the protection. For example, while the £85,000 limit is per person per banking license, if you hold deposits with multiple banks under the same banking group, the £85,000 limit might apply across those institutions combined. Monzo currently operates under its own banking license, meaning your deposits with Monzo are protected up to £85,000 independently of any other banking groups you might be associated with. The FSCS also protects eligible temporary high balances held in your account for up to 6 months. These are specific types of large deposits that are temporarily held due to certain life events, such as the sale of a property, inheritance, divorce settlements, or redundancy payouts. For these specific scenarios, the protection can extend beyond the standard £85,000 limit for a limited period. If you find yourself in such a situation, it's always advisable to contact the FSCS directly or consult their website for detailed guidance on how this temporary high balance protection applies to your circumstances. In essence, the relationship between Monzo and the FSCS provides a robust layer of security for your deposits. Monzo's status as a regulated bank automatically brings your eligible funds under the protection of the FSCS, offering compensation up to £85,000 should the bank fail. This safety net is a crucial element of the UK's financial stability framework, designed to protect consumers and maintain confidence in the banking system. Understanding this protection empowers you as a Monzo customer. It allows you to use the convenience and features of digital banking with the reassurance that your money is safeguarded. While we all hope that financial institutions remain stable, the FSCS provides a vital layer of security, ensuring that in the unlikely event of a bank failure, your eligible deposits are protected. So, the next time you log into your Monzo app and see your balance, you can do so with the knowledge that your funds benefit from the security provided by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. It's a silent guardian, working behind the scenes to protect your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.